Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to permanently delete a YouTube channel using your Windows computer and what to check before you do it. First, open your browser and go to youtube.com, then sign into your channel you want to remove. Then click your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. From there, click Settings from the left-hand menu, choose your channel and open the Advanced Settings. After that, click Remove YouTube Content. You may be asked to re-enter your Google password for security. Now choose I want to permanently delete my content. Read the warnings carefully, check the confirmation boxes, and when you are ready, click Delete My Content to complete the removal. Finally, remember this action is permanent. Your videos, comments, playlists, and channel name will be removed. If you want a backup, use Google Takeout before deleting to download your videos and data. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.